Hi everyone, Tyler Vinson here. I am the CEO of REtokens and I'm also the sponsor of Freedom Fund 2. Freedom Fund 2 is a real estate acquisition fund that we've put together to take advantage of some of the opportunities in today's marketplace. Look, with the higher interest rates that we've had and the larger vacancy compared to the last couple of years, the commercial real estate market has really softened up. And that includes multifamily real estate and storage, which is what we specialize in. Well, we want to take advantage of acquiring some of these properties or some of this land to develop on. And so that's why we put Freedom Fund 2 together, is so we can take advantage of maybe one of the best buying windows we'll see for a long, long time. And it is certainly the best buying window we've seen for the last handful of years or more. Freedom Fund 2 already has a couple of deals under contract. One of our deals that I'll talk about is 2 multifamily buildings where we can build 60% more units on the land. So we're acquiring the property with a cash flow position on the multifamily that's already there, which means we're basically getting the land for free to build 60% more units on. And that is exciting. Those are the type of deals that we are looking to do. I have a history of over 20 years of finding and acquiring underperforming or undervalued real estate or motivated seller situations, acquiring that real estate, and with the proper management and strategy, bringing it up to full market value and totally repositioning the asset. And that's exactly what we're looking to do with Freedom Fund 2. We're going to focus on multifamily properties as well as storage units here in the Pacific Northwest. I live in the Pacific Northwest. I have my whole life. I'm extremely familiar with the market, and it's one of the best growth areas you can invest in this type of real estate. So we're really excited for Freedom Fund 2. Join us for the webinar. It's not just going to be about the fund itself. We're actually going to talk about our real estate investment strategy, in particular, our tax strategies involved with real estate. It's right at the end of the year here in 2024. And so this is your chance to get involved with some real estate that has some tax benefits, some cash flow, and some phenomenal equity upside. And there's an additional bonus with Freedom Fund 2, and that's that it's tokenized. The beauty of it being tokenized is you have additional liquidity pathways. See, in these normal syndications, you're locked into these deals for at least 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, or sometimes even longer. But because it's tokenized, you can actually sell this to accredited or non-accredited investors after 12 months. And in fact, REtokens will have a marketplace to do exactly that. So now you have a lot more flexibility and liquidity when investing in a project like this. In fact, it's great for estate planning too. We look at tokenization as a great big gold bullion. If you compare a piece of real estate like an apartment building or a storage facility as a large gold brick or a large gold bullion, right? That's very difficult to move around. That's not very liquid, right? And in fact, everybody either has to sell the project or refinance the project together. It's very difficult to get people in and out of this big brick, right? But imagine taking that large gold bullion or gold brick and turning it into 10,000 gold coins. Now investors can get in and out of the investment project with a lot more flexibility. As mentioned, they can use it for estate planning. And in the near future, you'll actually be able to get loans against those security tokens, or in this case, we're talking about the gold coins, without jeopardizing the title to the real estate. And that is revolutionary. So join us for the webinar coming up. We're very excited about it. We're not just going to talk about the Freedom Fund, but we're actually going to talk about our real estate investment strategies. We're going to talk about location, one of the most important things in real estate, why we're choosing the locations that we are. And it's not just the Pacific Northwest. We're going to drill down and teach that even in a single city, location can matter. Are you in the city limits or outside of the city limits? That can matter for landlord-tenant laws. That can matter for building and developing. Where is your high density zoning at? That certainly matters. And one of our projects has that high density multifamily zoning. So those are things that we look for when we're doing acquisition. We're also going to show you guys how we underwrite these deals, how we value them, and how we project what the return on investment is going to be. So even if you're not sure that you want to invest in a project like this, still come and learn about expert real estate investment strategy and tips, and you can at least see what we're doing and why we're doing it. And I guarantee it'll bring you the value that you're looking for. It'll be a great return on investment of your time, whether you invest in this opportunity or not. However, if you're an accredited investor, this is the best investment opportunity I have offered in a couple of years. Why? Because there just hasn't been the opportunity in the marketplace as there is now. The last couple of years, with interest rates low and competitive buyers, we've bought something every year, but it's been very little, and we haven't brought other investors in. But now there is a lot of opportunity. We look at hundreds of deals, so we're very selective on the type of investments we want to invest in. And now we're finally seeing enough deals that we can't do them on our own. So we want to bring other investors in to participate in these investment deals. But you don't have to do any heavy lifting. We're experts at what we do, experts at managing the property and the asset, and we're going to go ahead and do all the work, and you get to benefit off of the real estate ownership. That's right. That's cash flow, tax benefits, and equity upside without having to do any of the work. That's what Freedom Fund 2 is about. So don't miss out. Join the webinar, learn a lot, and give yourself the opportunity for a fantastic investment for 2025 and moving forward. And if you're interested in more information on tokenized real estate, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We put out a lot of content on tokenized real estate, and we have a lot more information to share with you. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Or if you want to watch a video right now on how I maximize value of tokenized real estate for my investors, then watch this video right here. We'll see you next time.